So I have to remember which one stole money. It was this one. So I'll probably play this one for Halloween and that for Santa. And then I'll play these for Halloween maybe. There's a biker gang outside too. It's kind of creepy. A Prospect. You gave me a ship last time, give me a person. I wish I could get a person, but I just know they're rare. Got a red one again, my favorite color. No funny business. Oh look, I got jewelry. Huh, nice. Now I'll play this one here.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, bless your heart.
Looks like a crystal clear diamond. If I had like even more quarters, I'd keep playing this. Okay, very good. And there you have it. I played all the working machines. It's ironic, the one that doesn't work is emptiest. But I'll see you next time. I'll see you in 100 days. You can see the top of City Thrift right there. Thrift store. But anyway, I'm here at a gas station. We're getting gas. I'll be playing one of these. Try eeny, meeny, miny, moe. This one is over. I don't know. I'm gonna forget where I'm at. I'm gonna play up here, I think. I'm kind of looking at this one. I kind of want poops. I don't know what I want. I think I did get that's the one I wanted, folks.